Happy and great day, dear children. We are going to see Golu Grows a Nose, a supplementary reader, chapter 5 for class 7. Summary and question answers alone. Right? Golu grows a nose. Summary is long ago, the elephants had no trunks. There was a baby elephant called Golu. He too had no trunk. He had only a bulgy nose as small as a small boot. Golu was full of questions. He asked the ostrich, "Why don't you ever fly like other birds?" He asked his very big uncle, the hippopotamus, "Why are your eyes always so red?" Golu's uncles did not answer his questions. They thought the questions were too difficult. One day, Golu met a myna. He asked it, "Why does a crocodile have for dinner?" What does a crocodile have for a dinner? The myna advised Golu to go to the Limpopo River. Golu went home. After the meals, Golu said to his family goodbye. "I am going to the great grassy Limpopo River. I will find out what the crocodile had for dinner." Thus, Golu started for Limpopo River to find out what the crocodile had for dinner. On his way, Golu met a python, a snake. He asked him also the same question. The python also did not give any reply. However, he quietly followed Golu. When he reached the river, he saw a big log of wood. Actually, it was not a log of wood, it was a crocodile. When it winked at Golu, he asked, "Have you ever seen a crocodile?" The crocodile told him that it was him. Crocodile shed crocodile tears to show that it was true. Golu was frightened. Yet he asked the crocodile what he had for dinner. The crocodile said, "Come here, little one, and I will whisper the answer to you." He said it because he wanted to eat Golu. Golu went near him. The crocodile caught him by the nose. He told Golu that today he would be his dinner. Now the python came to Golu's help. He asked Golu to pull hard. Now both the crocodile and Golu tried to pull each other. Then the python coiled himself round Golu's stomach. He also applied his strength with Golu. In the meantime, Golu's nose kept on stretching. In the end, Golu was able to free himself, but his nose had become 5 feet long. Golu sat there for 2 days, waiting for the nose to cool and shrink. The nose cooled but did not shrink. Python said that the long nose called trunk would be useful. With it, the elephant could keep the flies away. With it, the elephant could put a large quantity of his food into his mouth. The trunk helps the elephant to throw mud or water on his body when it is hot. Now Golu thanked the python and went back home. Now answer the following questions. Whom does Golu ask, "Why don't you ever fly like other birds?" Golu asked the ostrich why it does not fly like other birds. Which uncle of Golu had red eyes? Golu's huge uncle hippopotamus had red eyes. Golu's relative did not answer his questions because the questions were too difficult. Who advised Golu to go to Limpopo River? The bird Myna advised Golu to go to the Limpopo River. Why did Golu go to the river? Golu went to the Limpopo River to find out what the crocodile had for dinner. The crocodile lay on the bank of the Limpopo River. Golu thought it was a log of wood. What did the crocodile do to show that it was a real crocodile? The crocodile shed its false tears to show that it was a real one. "Come here, little one, and I will whisper the answer to you." The crocodile said this because he wanted to eat Golu. Who helped Golu on the bank of the river? Python helped Golu on the bank of the river. He saved Golu's life from the crocodile. Name two things the elephant can do with his trunk and two he cannot. Two things the elephant can do with his trunk are: the elephant can keep away flies, he can pull up things from below and take it to his mouth. Two things that the elephant can't do with his trunk are: he can't use it as a leg, he can't see with it. So any reason as you wish. This all these questions and answers summary or just for discussion, okay, you can write on your own. Short type questions. What do you know about Golu? Golu was a baby elephant. He had a bulgy nose. He had no trunk. He was full of questions. Now question number 2. Which bird directed Golu to go to Limpopo River and why? A bird Maina was sitting in the middle of a bush. Golu asked her what the crocodile ate at dinner. The bird Maina directed Golu to go to the Limpopo River to find out the answer. Question number 3. What items of food did Golu take before leaving his home for Limpopo River? He took 100 sugar canes, 50 dozen bananas, and 25 melons. And fourth question is, how did Golu help the python? Golu helped the python to coil around the branch of the tree again. Fifth question is, what questions did Golu ask the python? Golu met a python. He asked him 3 questions. Have you ever seen a crocodile? What does a crocodile look like? And what does a crocodile have for dinner? What are the 3 questions? Have you ever seen a crocodile? What does a crocodile look like? What does a crocodile have for dinner? And question number 6. Why did the python help Golu? Python had helped Golu had helped Python to coil around the branch of a tree. The python felt grateful to him and quietly followed him. The python helped Golu when the crocodile caught him by the nose. He did not repay Golu for his goodness. Again the answers. Golu had helped the python to coil around the branch of a tree. The python felt grateful to him and quietly followed him. A python helped Golu when the crocodile caught him by the nose. He did not repay Golu for his goodness. Long answers. Describe Golu's meeting with the crocodile. Golu reached the edge of Limpopo River. He saw a crocodile on its bank. The crocodile winked at Golu. Golu asked him if he was a crocodile. The crocodile raised his tail out of the mud. He was surprised why Golu asked him such a question. He shed crocodile tears. He asked Golu to come close. He would not answer the personal question. He would whisper the answer to his question. He would tell him what he had for dinner in a low tone. Golu put his head down close to the crocodile's snout. The crocodile caught Golu by the nose. He declared that he would eat Golu that day. Golu screamed with fear and pain. Now, what was the dinner? Golu was a dinner for crocodile now. What, according to the python, were the advantages of a long nose or a trunk? A fly stung Golu on the shoulder. Golu hit the fly with his long nose. The fly lay dead. Golu plucked a large bundle of grass, dusted it against his forelegs. He stuffed the grass into his mouth with the help of his long nose, that is trunk. The sun was very hot. Golu dug out some mud from the bank with the help of his long nose. He slopped the mud on his head. Golu could not do any of the above activities with a small nose. These were all the advantages of a long nose, that is trunk, according to Python. Right? Thank you, dear children. I hope you understood the questions of Golu grows a nose. Thank you.